So this is 2 journals. This is the top one, which serves as a decoration for the front of the journal. And this, I have a lot of vintage linens used on this, and then some digitals and some fabric. So here we have a little journaling spot. Here we have the second page. So this is a smaller cover. This is a medium cover. And we have a pocket here made out of some really pretty lace. We have journaling spots. This is a tuck spot or pocket that you can put things in. This is a digital. This is vintage stationery and ledger paper. So lots of different papers in here. And then another lace pocket on the back. These are also, no they're not, glued on. Okay, you open this up. And then this is the next journal. Now, inside here, we have a tuck spot with this card. This is an actual card, and it's beautifully embossed with the design on it. And because they would have, you know, some sort of a happy anniversary, happy birthday or something, I just covered the words up with little collages. In here we have an assortment of papers. So right here you can see this is like an open tuck spot that you can see with a journaling card on it. Okay, we have graph paper, we have map paper, book pages. This is the Woodland Hummingbird digital. This is dyed paper with the lace design, book pages, more of Dear Julie's Wooden Hummingbird kit. Here we have a tuck spot on this page, and then we have this envelope. So this folds out into a journaling spot there. We lift this up. This is going to fold down into a journaling spot there. And we have, this could also be used as tuck spots. We have the envelope here where you can put things. So lots of fun things to do with that. I think I'm going to put it in this way. Okay. This is a calendar page across the inside. Pages like this that are upside down because calendars are down, or like this that are book pages covered with words. You can take a white acrylic paint and paint over it, then write on it. You can glue a piece of white paper on it. You can do a tape technique that I explain in one of my videos. This is a round the corner wrap around, and you have 3 pockets the way this is. It's not glued in place. You could conceivably open it up and write on the inside. And meanwhile, there's 3 tags on this. And again, this just wraps around the page, is clipped in place with the paper clip. And so both sides are decorated. Here we have another digital or Woodland Hummingbird page. So this journal has 2 signatures in it. Here we have, this is a hidden paper clip to hold this in place. And then this is an envelope. Now the way this is made, it could be glued together and used for an envelope. You could tuck something in here, or it can completely come open and you could use the whole thing for a journaling spot. So whether you glue it together or leave it as it is for journaling or for tucking in other things, it'll work both ways. So again, here's the end of the first signature. Another one of these cards that's embossed. This one is actually open, so you could make a tuck spot here as well. The little collage on the top. Dear Julie's Wooden Hummingbird kit. This is avocado dyed paper. This is map page, This is another digital. This is more tea or coffee dyed paper with a lacy design. Here we have nice heavy graph paper. Now, here's a vellum paper. One of the things I like about using all these different papers is the different textures that it adds to the journal. So here we have a cloth pocket, and we have a journaling card tucked in. But guess what? This is a hidden journaling card because in here we have more journaling space where you can write all your secrets, and no one will know unless you tell them, unless they watch my video. Here's another calendar page for the center. Book pages, these are all pretty much the same. I have a pocket here, more dyed pages. So this is just like coffee or tea dyed, and then this is with the lace design on it. Now let me look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So there's about 15 or 16 pages in each of the 2 signatures. And what that means is 15 pages open, you fold them in half, and then you have both sides. So 60 pieces of paper pages put in here yields 240 pages for journaling. So there is that journal. It'll be listed in my Ko-fi shop. I'll have a link to it below. And please come and check it out and see if maybe this would be a good gift for yourself or for somebody else. Thank you very much.